Hello students, welcome to BioWise with Achal. Today we are going to talk about element, compound and mixtures. Now in this chapter, first part is mixtures. Now what we are going to study in mixture is the mixture definition. Then you have types of mixtures, compound and mixtures difference, types of various mixtures, method of separation of mixtures. So what is a mixture? A mixture is actually combining two things without changing its composition. It's made up of two or more substances, element or compound or both mixed together. There are few examples like element mixture. You can have an example of any alloy. Compound mixture like salt water solution, and element compound mixture like gunpowder. Types of mixtures can be homogeneous and heterogeneous. You identify what is brass. Brass is an alloy, so homogeneous mixture. Salt solution is also a homogeneous mixture. Air, sand and water, and oil and water, they are all heterogeneous. Compound and mixtures comparative study. You can have a look here. There are specific ways of separation of different types of mixture. Like solid-solid mixture can be separated by sublimation, magnetic separation, solvent extraction, fractional crystallization. Solid-liquid mixture can be separated by filtration, sedimentation, evaporation, distillation. Types of mixtures that can be separated like liquid-liquid mixture. Liquid-liquid mixture can be separated by separating funnel, fractional distillation, and then liquid gas mixture can be separated by boiling the mixture. Gas will escape the liquid, right? So that is all methods of separation. Gas mixture can be separated by diffusion, solubility in solvent. Chromatography and centrifugation can also be used to separate some specific components. This is sublimation. You can see how the solid changes into vapor, right? Then you have magnetic separation. One of the substance should be magnetic. For example, iron and sulfur. Iron can be separated by using magnet. Solvent extraction can be sulfur and charcoal, where sulfur dissolves in carbon disulfide, leaving behind charcoal, which can be obtained by simple filtration process, right? So this is simple way how to extract substances in which one is soluble while the other is insoluble. You can have a look. Now fractional crystallization, depending upon the solubility of two substances. Filtration, that is solid and a liquid mixture. Sedimentation, heavier particles settles down, followed by decantation and filtration. Evaporation is water evaporates or the liquid evaporates, leaving behind the solid. Distillation, based on, that is evaporation followed by condensation. And separating funnel, that is two immiscible liquids, that is liquids which cannot be dissolved, and fractional distillation is for two miscible liquids or more miscible liquids based on their boiling point. Chromatography, small dyes, ink can be separated. It has stationary phase, mobile phase, and the mixture which can be separated can be ink or even chlorophyll pigments can be separated, right? This is all about the separation techniques. Here the principle is about adsorption and solubility. Next is centrifugation, where you have different speed with which you can separate the pellet and the supernatant, right? Next part is elements. We have already discussed about the elements when we are doing atomic structure, atomicity, valency. So here also we are going to just brief you about the element symbols and valencies. So, we will have a very fast recap of this topic. I hope you understand the topic. Now the details of the video on atomic structure explains everything about valency, atomic structure, atomic electronic configurations, formation of formula. So remember what is gases, what are acids, what are bases, what is salt. All the formula is being covered in this presentation. This was just a fast recap of whatever we have studied till now. Right children? So all the best, study well and check how many formula you know. If you could write all the formula without consulting the valency chart, then excellent. You are doing a great job. Continue studying and just love chemistry, because chemistry is not a difficult subject. You understand chemistry, you like the subject. You don't understand chemistry, then it becomes a problem. So happy learning children.